Hi, we're in room 1278. That's an interior room on the Carnival Freedom, and right now it's January 2023. This is what the room looks like. Got the double bed in the middle that it can be separated into two twin beds that are pushed to the side. We've got a makeup mirror and a little desk here for work, a little stool down below, and a little table. We brought our Diet Coke onto the ship, which you're allowed to do. I believe it's a 12-pack per person. We've got enough drawers here. In this top drawer, there is a hair dryer. You need to be careful with these because last time it ate my hair. Got the water, it costs extra. I believe it's $3.95. There's a TV up on top. And then if you open these doors, you've got your safe, and this safe needs a credit card or something with the scanner on the back, and it's not very big. And then you have a mirror over here, and down here you've got your little mini fridge, and it opens from this side. It's pretty cold in there. And we've got a little chair. Got some little hangers up there. Now this is your first closet, which has got a full-length mirror on the inside of the door, and this is all shelves with the tiny bar up at the top. And then you've got another with it's almost to the floor with hanging space and plenty of hangers. Life jackets up on top. And then your last one has got plenty of hangers also, and it goes all the way to the floor. On the door you've got your muster station and maps of the ship. And then right here is the bathroom. It's got a pretty good sized shower. It's got a shower curtain. I think it's best if you pull it back. And then you've got a makeup mirror, and then you've got your standard toilet and your sink, which is good size. It's got lots of space in here, lots of shelving to put your things. So that was room 1278 on the Carnival Freedom.